Hi there, food lovers. Today we are making a sweet and fluffy Nigerian snack, plantain mosa. First, you peel and mash your plantain until smooth. You want a thick, creamy texture. In this video, I made use of a potato masher, but feel free to use your blender, just that I prefer potato masher to blender. The list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. To let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Enjoy the process. Now it's time to add our flour, sugar, yeast, salt, and pepper. Feel free to add onions. Gradually pour in warm water and mix until you get a thick batter. Not too runny, not too heavy. This is the perfect consistency you should have. Once that is done, cover the bowl and allow the mixture to rest for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, heat your oil on medium and scoop small portions of the batter into the hot oil using a spoon or your hands. Turn occasionally for an even cook. Fry until golden brown. And there you have it. Please Soft and irresistible plantain mosa ready to enjoy. Serve warm as a snack or side dish and watch them disappear fast.